In this quick review video, we're going to talk about reflections. All right, and this is actually going to help you with skill 4C, even though that one's not about reflections. All right, so we learned how to do transformations. This A is going to move us in the left and right direction, and this B moves us in the up and down direction. All right, you already know how to do transformations. All right, but there's one extra transformation, and that's if I put a minus sign in front of my expression. It's going to take my original square root graph, which is this one dotted, and it reflects it, it flips it downward, and now it's going down. So negative square root of x is this black graph here, which is just like the square root of x, but going downward. So on a graph negative square root of x plus 2, if I ignore the negative, we know the x plus 2 here just moves my graph left 2. All right, so normally I would have this kind of square root graph going like this, but this negative sign just makes me go in the other direction. Right. Here I have x minus 3. I know that's going to move my graph right 3. And then the plus 4 moves my graph up 4. So this is my starting point, and normally it'd be going like this, but the negative makes it go the opposite direction. It's going downward. All right, so that's my negative reflection. And one more, the plus 2 near my x is going to move me left 2. The minus 1 moves me down 1. So left 2, down 1, this is my starting point. Again, a normal square root graph would be going up like this, but the negative there makes my graph go downward. All right, so this is going to help you with the full skill. This is kind of just a stepping stone to get there.